children, Granny Whiskers here today to talk to you about stories. Today we're going to learn how important vocabulary is in your writing. It can make your writing more interesting and descriptive. We're going to look at adjectives and adverbs and how they can change simple sentences into vivid images that capture the reader's imagination. Let's dive in and explore the wonderful world of descriptive language. Adjectives help us paint a picture by describing nouns. For example, instead of saying the dog, we can say the fluffy brown dog, which makes it easier for people to imagine what the dog looks like without seeing a picture of it. But of course, what is always helpful is here is a picture of the dog. Adverbs can add extra details to a verb, like how or when something was done. For instance, instead of saying the dog ran, we could say the dog ran quickly, which tells us how fast he was moving. Here is a picture of a running dog. Aren't dogs marvelous? And how about an adverbial phrase? I know that one's a bit of a tongue twister. The fluffy brown dog waited patiently for his owner outside the shops. Anyone who has a dog knows that that is never true. Here is a picture of said dog. Many adverbs end in ly. For example, quickly, slowly, quietly, loudly, happily, sadly. The ly is most often added to an adjective like quick, slow, quiet, loud, happy, and sad. Some do not end in ly. For example, upstairs, tomorrow, and always. For example, she ran upstairs. He is going tomorrow, and they always drive to the beach. Now we're going to look at a short story with lots of description. I've colored the adjectives red and the adverbs blue so that you can see where they appear. The daring journey of Benny the brave mouse. One sunny morning, Benny the brave little mouse quickly scurried out of his cozy burrow, eager for adventure. He nervously peeped around the bustling garden, where colourful flowers swayed gently in the warm breeze. With a determined heart, he boldly ventured past the towering sunflowers that reached high towards the sky. As he explored, Benny curiously sniffed at a delicious ripe strawberry that glistened temptingly in the sunlight. Suddenly, a shadow loomed ominously, and Benny darted swiftly behind a nearby rock, his tiny heart racing. After a moment, he cautiously peeked out to see a friendly butterfly fluttering gracefully. Feeling relieved, Benny happily joined the butterfly on a new adventure, discovering the wonders of the garden together as they danced under the bright blue sky. See how the adjectives and adverbs build the description in the story and make it more interesting. I'll leave you with some sentences. See if you can use some adverbs and adjectives to make them more interesting. And remember to like, share, and subscribe to Granny Whiskers and her amazing English lessons.